Welcome to my channel World of Forensic. Today we are going to discuss about antemortem and postmortem drowning. So first we need to know what is drowning. It is the process in which a person dies after falling into an water, being unable to breathe. So when a person falls in the water and being unable to breathe, the death occurs of that person. It's called drowning. So drowning can be divided into two types: antemortem drowning and postmortem drowning. So when you find the body of a person in the water and the main cause of death is drowning, that is being unable to breathe under the water, then it is antemortem drowning. And the first when it occurs, like we find the body in water, but the death occurs not because of drowning, but the body is thrown into the water after killing the person, then it is postmortem drowning. Now, some points related to antemortem drowning. Here, the death is caused by drowning in water. So, the main cause of death is here the water. Here, the body vitals responds to water, unable to respond inside the water. The struggle for breathing. So, water enters into the lungs of the person. Lungs are heavily saturated. Edema, emphysema occurs. Internal organs are congested with water and also become sweat. And drowning signs can degrade with time. So after some times, the sign of drowning gets going to degrade. Mm, like after lot of hours, we will find that the signs of drowning over the person's body gets degraded with time. Postmortem drowning. What is this? This is basically the immersion of the body after killing the person or after the person is dead into the water. The condition is present before immersion and remains the same. So basically, in antemortem drowning, the condition of the body after death changes. But in postmortem drowning, there is no change in the body due to the water. Here, no water enters into the lungs, and there is no uh, breathing related issues found in the person. Lungs remain dry and appear normal. Other existing trauma may be found because here the person is killed by some other means, not by the water because of drowning. Other existing signs remains, but water signs are minimal. Means the if any signs are observed in the body in case of antemortem drowning because of the water, because being unable to breathe in water, but no such signs are found in the body in case of postmortem drowning. Now, how these two, that is antemortem drowning and postmortem drowning, are important in investigation. Basically, those are two types of drowning only. But in case of antemortem drowning, here the main cause of death is drowning in water, which is the true cause of the death. But in postmortem drowning, the death occurs before the person gets drowned in the water. Okay. In antemortem drowning, as the person tries to breathe even after inside being present inside the water, we can find diatoms enters into the lungs of that person. Even diatoms can be found in the bone marrow of that person, and the presence of these diatoms in the lungs and bone marrow helps us to distinguish that this is a case of antemortem drowning or a postmortem drowning. Obviously, then the case is of an antemortem drowning. It helps in the reconstruction of the fatal event with death. Helps to distinguish between accidents from homicides. Obviously, in case of homicides, uh, if it's accidentally and or homicide, we can be able to distinguish. Uh, Thank you for viewing my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please press the like button and also suggest me topics to make more videos.